Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from a linked bank to Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is use the latest version of Cash App on your phone. Once you open the latest version of the app and sign in using your credentials, you will be able to go to your profile by clicking on your icon at the top right corner of the screen. Within your profile page, you should see the option I've highlighted, Linked Banks, under the Account and Settings category. When you access the Linked Banks category, you will have a prompt to link a bank and a debit card. Select Link Bank and first agree to the terms and conditions of linking your bank to Cash App. Once you agree to the terms, you will get to pick from a list of institutions. This is where you need to select which bank you want to transfer the funds from and input all the valid credentials from your bank. Once it is properly linked, it will be displayed in the Linked Banks window. Now, by following the steps I'm presenting to you on screen, you will be able to input any amount of funds that you wish to transfer from the linked bank account. Follow the steps I'm showing you on screen and type the amount of funds that you want to transfer. It should be complete in no time, and as long as you have the funds available, you will receive them inside of Cash App. That's how you can transfer money from a linked bank to Cash App. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.